And now we are in IKEA restaurant in Mall of Asia, Manila. And I seen here they have things about Sweden that I didn't see before. For example, is Malmö Rådhus Town Hall. And then we have fika. It's how we say coffee break in Swedish. Yeah. And here is other views of Swedish towns. And the restaurant is not so crowded now because the time is not so much. It's 11 o'clock. And if you say hey, that means hi in Swedish. Hey, hey. And here is really my city. It's called Stockholm. No. They have a little more decoration now than before, I see. And you see it's people, but not so many people inside the restaurant for the moment. They have a family station, micro oven, kids cup, baby share tray. Culture Sweden, open air bath. And here you have something called Dalahäst. It's like go in here, even it's not allowed maybe because it's closed. Here they paint wood horses in Dalarna, and it's a big tourist thing, this Dalahäst, Dala horse. Yeah, this area is closed for the moment. Dalahäst means Dala horse in Swedish. The Dala horse is traditional hand-carved wooden and horse originating from the Swedish province Dalarna. Yeah, that's it is. Okay, that's all.